The northern Italian region of Lombardy is the wealthiest in all of Italy, so it should come as no surprise that this luxurious treat is popular there. Stuffed squash blossoms are probably the most delicate and delicious foods you can ever eat. And these are those beautiful, delicate little blossoms. And inside is the first step that needs to be taken in preparing them. And if you take a close look in here, you can actually see the stamen that I need to remove. And the stamen indicates a male flower. Now, these blossoms usually come from zucchini, but they can also come from other squash too. And these squash blossoms are going to get filled and stuffed with a light, delicate filling. And that all starts off with that creamy little ricotta. And because it's all about spring and summertime, a little chopped fresh mint. On top of that, a little fresh lemon zest. And those two ingredients in my mind just sing the flavors of spring and summer. Now, to deepen those flavors, a little anchovy sort of lingering in the background. Wonderful little savory notes. And a little nutmeg for seasoning. And you can't do a dish like this without its fair share of grated Parmesan cheese. Now, to fill the blossom, just open it up, hold it in the ring of your hand, and fill with the delicate and delicious filling. Draw the blossom petals forward, gather them up, and that little twist should hopefully seal that filling in while it's cooking. Now, for these delicate blossoms, I need a delicate batter. Pinch of salt and soda water. And it's the bubbles in that soda water that make sure the batter is light and airy. This is really nothing more than a light, fluffy tempura batter. Light coating of batter and into the oil. Beautiful, crystally sea salt. Light golden brown color. These are such a treat to eat. That combination of crispy, crunchy exterior and then a light, fluffy, creamy filling. Simple, but luxurious.